What's going on, everybody? Kwaku here, back with another video. Today I wanted to talk about this half year in review for this channel, and I wanted to get a few things off my chest, hopefully keep it short. I highly doubt it, knowing how I speak. So real quick, I wanted to just talk about the state of things, because I've done this quite a bit this year so far. I kind of feel good when I do them, just because it lets me know where I'm at and what I can work on and things like that. But this past half year has been the craziest half year that I've had in quite some time, in the many years. Even before this channel existed, it's been the craziest thing. I moved completely from my parents' home. I moved down here where I'm at. I tried to go back to school, which I just finished the semester of, while working, finding a job in a museum, working there while doing the YouTube thing. Now, before, when I was doing this channel initially, the very first beginning of it back in 2020, April, I believe, I was just working from home, helping my little brother out who has special needs, and that's it, as a nurse. That was it. And then I just came to the gym, came home, made videos, and played games, and that was it. Now I have school, work, which is not work from home, and then I also have the channel on top of that, on top of certifications, trying to find bigger and better jobs out there. So there's been a lot. The pandemic has calmed down quite a bit, so it's made things a little different, or quite a bit different. And with that quite a bit different has come some rocky waveforms of the channel in terms of types of content out there and things like that. You might have noticed that I've been doing less app reviews and I've been doing less build updates. I know there's a recent build that just came out. In fact, I'm running it right now. I'm not sure what it is. I forgot the name already. I think it's 22622, I believe. That just came out a couple days ago. And then there was a build in the beta channel that just came out that introduced a few new things. And I said in the beginning when the build videos were coming that unless the build came with significant things that I could really show and make a video of, I wouldn't showcase the build video in the video. I'm thinking about a way that I can formulate that even while the website's still in production, in development. I'm figuring out a way that I can still push out build videos without trying to read like an entire build notes of what's going on, because you guys can read that for yourself. So I did that, and then there was a podcast with fellow MVP Salman MKC that I was doing. The Art of Thought. I mean, not the Art of Thought. What was it? Next Windows on Air. I definitely want to bring that back eventually. Hopefully the second half of the year I'll start bringing that back. Hopefully make it like maybe 2 weeks instead of every month. Make it a little, get it more often, or maybe every week. Maybe we'll talk about General Tech. Salman and I, he's on board with it. I think he became a Microsoft MVP finally, so congratulations to him. And speaking of Microsoft MVP, this came in. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, there it is. So I got this thing, Microsoft Windows Insider MVP for 2022. For those who don't know, I was an MVP for the past 2 years now. So 2021 and 22 is my second year this year. And real quick, this came in the box. This came in the box with that. And this basically, I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame. This came with this right here, a little metal thing saying, or not metal thing, glass saying 2022. I have one for 2021 as well. And then what also came in, but a new one will be coming in because this one broke because of FedEx's ridiculousness, is this right here. So I'm not sure if you can see that either. This is, there you go. Now you see the whole thing in recognition of your exceptional contributions. This is from Microsoft. I am also an MVP of some sorts, but for Windows Insider. And this actually slots in just like that. Just like that. So I have one for 22 and I have one for 21 as well. So this is what I got recently in the mail. I just want to do a quick show and tell for that. It is broken. Both of the pieces are broken and they're both glass, and it both said fragile on it, but they still threw it anyway onto my front porch. So that's FedEx's fault right there. Another thing that I wanted to discuss is I have been in a chaotic mood lately. I've been just acting on emotion, acting on just anything. I pump out things very last minute. This video is even very last minute. It is 10 o'clock almost, 9:57 p.m. as of recording this. Very last minute recording this. I want to get back to when I used to have sticky notes just stuck on walls or on anything of ideas that I wanted to do. Apps, in terms of ideas, they are slowing down just because I feel like I've exhausted all of the apps that are out there. I know developers are always making things, but a lot of things that I feel like are worthy to show you guys and introduce to you guys to look at, I feel like are kind of going away, like they're slowing down quite a bit, which is why I said I want to introduce some Android type things, because we do have, ironically, a new update to Windows subsystem for Android, and I did showcase getting the Play Store on Windows 11. So I want to dive into Android stuff still. It's going to take some time because I will be moving literally in 2-3 weeks or so. Yet again, I know it's only been 6 months since I just moved again. So I'll be moving yet again. So that's another thing that I wanted to talk about. And then one other thing, this is an important thing that's been on my mind. Make sure I'm good on time. Yep, 6 minutes. One other thing that I wanted to discuss was like what I mean by me having a chaotic mood and chaotic kind of upload schedule. You know, there's been weeks where I haven't uploaded for like, I haven't done my double uploads like I do every week. There's been weeks that I've constantly been doing that in this past 6 months, which is terrible for me. Like, it feels bad, in my opinion, that I'm doing this. And part of it also is I just haven't been keeping up with myself either. All I do is go to the gym, go to work, and that's pretty much it. And I don't even keep up with my own home environment. So I had a art professor when I was doing a project, and I was talking about taking pictures every morning I woke up. And then I talked about how I had to frame something perfectly right so that people wouldn't see the chaos that is my space that I utilize to create all my stuff. And I figured, you know what? I want to show you guys, this is something no YouTuber will ever do. No content creator probably will ever show you this, but I feel like I should show you because I want to be real. You know, this channel, the main point of it was me being real with everybody and talking to you guys, almost like Flossie Carter says, where he feels like when he's doing his unboxings and he's doing his reviews, he feels like he's talking to his bros. You know, he's just talking, and I want to be real with you guys, as if you're close to me, even though you're not, about how messy my environment is. So right now, as you notice, you don't see anything over here. You might see this little black thing right here, and I don't know what that is. So I push everything out of the way so you guys only see me. And that's the professional way of doing things. But my space is so cluttered, you can see where my mind has been at for quite some time. So here is my space. I'm just going to grab this camera and I'm going to show you my space. So the microphone is up here, and this is my disgusting space. I'm not happy about this space. Like, look at this. It's terrible. I got protein down there. I got tripod stands. I got duffel bags. My bed is cluttered with clothes that I haven't cleaned up. My desk has all kinds of things on it. Like, it's horrible. My keyboard, you see how I'm recording right now? Like, I got Pepto-Bismol and multivitamins all around me. And my computer, I haven't turned it off in like 2 days. I know people don't really turn off their computers. So you could see how cluttered I've been. I washed these clothes on my bed. Actually, all the clothes you see other than in that green basket are clean. I washed these clothes in my bed Friday, about 4 days ago. Nope, not 4 days ago. I washed these clothes almost a week ago, and I haven't folded them yet. It's like a whole bunch of things that I haven't folded. There's the clothes that you saw back there I haven't folded. It's kind of crazy. It just goes with what I'm saying, where like I haven't been my normal self, where I'm more organized and I am more straightforward in terms of what I'm saying and making people understand things correctly, even if the videos are longer and things like that. Videos have been just sudden, you know, ideas that I pump out for videos. The Windows 2000 video was sudden. The whatever other videos I've done. Let me see what other videos I've done. Let's see here. I'm going to transition this. So you can see right here, these are the videos that I've done so far. And the videos that I've done, the Windows 2000, resizing the taskbar with WinArrow tweaker, and so on. All of these things have been last minute. I didn't think of any of these things weeks in advance or even days in advance like I sometimes do. These were all last minute because I needed to come up with a video idea to pump out the next day. I'm not proud of it. And you can see the numbers are down, probably down just because like pandemic is slowing down a lot. So people are going outside and not watching as much content anymore. But like, I'm not happy with this. This is not good to me because I miss the days of having larger numbers. You know, if I go back, obviously it's never going to be like this, but I go back to here where I had like 100,000, 30,000, 10,000, and so on with these things, the UTM tutorial and things like that on this M1 Mac that you couldn't even see because there's clutter on my bed. Yeah, so there's so much. Where am I at? 11 minutes. I'll stop in a second. There's so much that I need to work on, and I know I need to work on. And I know there's going to be people out there to say, don't show us this, don't show me this, just work on it yourself. But I don't really care. This is my little creator space, as YouTube says, creator studio, whatever you want to call it. For those who want to see this kind of thing, I want to be real with you all that I know that I haven't been 100% at my 100% capacity for a while now, for about 4 to 5 months, or probably more than that. I haven't been at my max capacity at all. I haven't been pumping out my best work at all. Even though I may say it, I haven't been pumping out my best work, and I don't like that. You know, I don't like not pumping out my best work. So I'm gonna be better about this. I'm definitely gonna try to improve on this. I'm not gonna promise that it'll change immediately. That's for sure, because that's a big thing. But it's definitely gonna change before the summer ends. That's what I'm gonna say. So let's shoot for. I'll be in Ghana for like 2 weeks in August. So let's shoot for let's say October frame, which is the end of summer. Let's shoot for hitting the fall when things turn around, because it's absurd what I've been doing. I'm not proud of it. And yeah. So, and if you're out there that makes things and lives in an environment like this too, knock it out and handle it. Handle your business, because you shouldn't be proud of it either. I know as creators we have a cluttered mess sometimes, and that's just how we work sometimes, but I'm an artist, I'm a creator on YouTube, and then I do a whole bunch of other things. I'm a gym addict, gym freak, meathead, whatever you want to call it. I do a lot of things, and I like to eat food, a lot of food, especially jollof. So yeah, I feel like that's it. Kind of all over the place, not really, but yeah, I don't even know what I'm going to call this video, but I feel like I should get this thing out there real quick. I don't even want to call this an update video, because we haven't hit any milestone yet, but who knows? Maybe I'll just put some clickbait title or something like that. Who knows? Like someone was joking about earlier in the comments. Yeah, well, if you want to contact me, Discord is there. All of it's in the description box. You can check out the Discord. It's grown to almost 60 members now. You can check out Twitter, 124 followers. You can message me on Twitter, whatever you choose to do. Instagram is there. I don't really use it, but it's there. I'll see whatever you pop in on there too. But mainly Twitter and Discord. You reach me there if you need to. I'm still around. This channel isn't going anywhere. Better times are coming ahead. My name is Kwaku. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. And I'll talk to you in the next one.